Alice Go. Apparently, hindi si Teacher Rubelin ang nag-homeschool sa kanya. Senator Win Gatchalian revealed that Go actually studied in a school in Quezon City from 2000 to 2003. Now here's the report.
Remember suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Go's claim about her educational background?
Lumaki po ako sa Farm Your Honor. Si Teacher Rubelin po, nakasama ko rin po siya.
In the Senate hearing on Pogos yesterday, Senator Win Gatchalian revealed that Guo lied about that too.
Apparently, si Guo Huaping or si Alice Go hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. O hindi siya homeschool ni Rubelin.
Gatchalian presented the school records and enrollment of Guo Huaping, the Chinese national whose fingerprints are identical to the mayor. It is indicated there that Guo studied in Grace Christian High School in Quezon City for grades 1, 2, and 3 from 2000 to 2003. Apparently, it is also Gatchalian's alma mater.
No, dahil nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School, for grades 1, 2, and 3.
The school records also match the Immigration Bureau's record of the Chinese national. Guo's birth date is August 31, 1990, and she was born in Fujian, China. The record also shows that Guo's father is Guo Jianzong and her mother is Lin Wenyi.
Sayang naman itong mga pieces of evidence. Gusto ho namin magamit para lalong tumibay yung kaso na ifina-file po ng ating Solicitor General.
We will be happy to receive these documents, Honorable Senator, and we will consider the same together with the team, together with the Honorable Solicitor General on the deliberation on the filing of a quo warranto.
Guo did not appear in the hearing again and cited her mental health condition as her excuse. The senators did not accept Guo's reason.
Sinayt po niya yung dahilan na she's not mentally fit, Madam Chair. Sa akin lang, nakakahiya naman po dun sa mga tunay na may mental health condition. I would just like to reiterate, Madam Chair, na seryosong usapin ang mental health. At hindi po ito dapat ginagamit na dahilan para magsinungaling.
You took advantage of our brittle regulatory system. Our system may be brittle, but it is not broken. Sisingilin ka. Sinisingil ng sambayanan si Mayor Guo.
The Senate has cited Guo and 7 other individuals in contempt and ordered their arrest. Senate President Cheese Escudero previously said that he will sign the arrest warrant against the mayor. The Immigration Bureau is also monitoring the airports to see if Guo is attempting to leave the country. Meanwhile, Guo's legal camp went to the Supreme Court to file for a petition for certiorari. This is their way to stop the Senate from forcing the mayor to attend the hearings. Guo previously said that her physical and mental health conditions suffered after she felt humiliated in the Senate hearing.
Okay, so yung biological mother niyo.
Eh, sabi ko sa'yo, walang Teacher Rubelin. In essence, di ba?
Slow ako, slow.
Kung talagang ito yung pinakita nga ni Senator Win Gatchalian na pumasok pala siya dito sa eskwelahan na to, di walang Teacher Rubelin na sinasabi niya dun sa kanyang paunang one-on-one interview with Karen Davila before, remember that. Sinabi niya na lumaki siya sa farm at homeschool siya by ang tawag dito? Homeschool siya ni...
Teacher Rubelin.
Oo.
I am just in awe, if totoo, no, na how somebody could lie like that. Siguro she thought, if guilty nga, no, siguro si Mayor Alice Go thought that by using another name, Alice Leal Go, hindi makikita yung name niya na isa, yung Chinese name niya, hindi mo trace yung record name niya. Pero apparently hindi niya na inisip.
Yung mga fingerprints?
May fingerprints ka, mayroon kang records sa immigration, sa NBI.
Oh my gosh.
It's just paikot.
Diba? Pero dun sa paper na pinakita ni Senator Win Gatchalian, na nag-aral siya sa Grace Christian College.
Where he also, alma mater ni Senator.
Year 2000 to 2003. When ang grade niya doon, supposedly grade 1 to 3. Parang gano'n. Kinukwenta ko nga kanina, di ba? Yung unang birth certificate niya, 1986. Pero apparently, 1990. Buti na lang sinabi doon sa report yung birthday niya kasi kinukompute ko nga, 1990. Kung 1990, tapos 2000 to 2003 siya doon, so 10 years old, grade 1 siya.
What?
Natawa ko sa itsura mo, ha?
Bakit? Anong mali kung 10 years old?
Diba, ano bang grade ba dapat ang
Depends. Kasi nung panahon ko, yung generations na yan, na
Ano
80s.
ba dapat ang grade
No,
ng
yung generations
edad ng grade?
You have to remember.
Parang hindi naman ako 10 years old ng grade.
Pero yung it depends sa school. Pero may mga, for example, in La Salle
parang
Ateneo,
8, 7 years old na.
bago ka mag-grade 1,
Ayo, ilang. O, go lang.
Tapay.
Go na, go. Go lang, Nina. Iniisip ko kasi.
Nung La Salle Ateneo kasi nung panahon ko ng 80s to 90s, meron, bago ka mag-grade 1 sa Ateneo, meron prep. Bago ka mag-prep, may kinder 1. Bago ka mag-kinder 1, may kinder 2. May nursery. So medyo,
lang ako,
so medyo may edad ka na pagdating mo sa, hindi tulad ngayon kasi,
Hindi siya, dinaanan ba niya yun?
I don't know, but I'm just saying.
Normally nga, di ba? Ibig ko sabihin normal.
I don't remember.
Like ako, kinder lang ako, grade, kinder 5 years old, tapos grade 1 ko, 7.
Oh, kung hindi pa siya K-12 noon,
Wala pang K-12.
kaya nga, that's what I'm saying, hindi pa siya K-12 noon, kung grade 1, 10 years old siya, grade 7 plus 7 years, 17, 16 to 17 years old, which is tama lang naman. So kung grade 7...
Grade 1 to 6 years old, doon 10 years old na siya. Kasi nga...
pasok siya sa 7 to 12 years old.
Ano?
Grade 1 to 6, 7 to 12.
Hindi, grade 1 to 6 yun.
Kung nag-repeat siya.
Anyway,
Oh.
bakit ba natin pinapainit yung ulo natin?
second year high
Kung
school
ako
ako.
math
Second
dyan.
year high school ako, I was 18 years old.
Iba-iba naman ang pinagdaanan. Pero regularly
Kaya nga, see, you just defeated your own argument. You said iba't ibang pinagdadaanan ng tao.
Pero we're talking about her, 'di ba? Yung pagpasok niya dito or yung kung saan ba talaga siya pinanganak, yun yung argument dito. It's not about you or me or others.
Hindi ko sinabi it's about me. You're the one making it about wala ka na alam mo sa court of law or opinion.
Wala,
You've just
inaasar lang
defeated
kita.
your own
Inaasar lang
argument.
kita. Pero yun nga, so aantayin natin yung magiging desisyon ng Korte Suprema. Pero for the meantime, kung wala silang desisyon, ay maglalabas ang Senate Committee ng contempt kay Mayor Alice Go. At sabi nga nila, kasi sabi ni Mayor Alice Go, wala daw gustong pumirma ng medical certificate niya na doktor. Ang sa akin, di ba pag doktor ka, you don't, hindi ka pwede mag-refuse.
If it's a truth,
Oo.
if it's a truth, okay,
Kasi baka daw mapatawag
they're bound
sila sa Senate.
by making a certificate to see their findings. Pero if you're asking a doctor to give you a certificate without even checking you,
Yes,
ay hindi
yun,
gagawin
hindi
ng doktor
talaga,
yun.
oo. Pero kung
But kasi,
check ka
alam
niya-
mo, ang diagnostic ng mental stress, hindi man kaagad yan eh. She has to have multiple sessions, tapos pag-aaralan ng doctor yung case niya before magbigay ng certificate. Ilan araw lang daw nagkaroon ng mental stress si Mayor.
Matagal-tagal na rin kasi since May yung start nung issue na to na pumutok eh.
Oh,
Diba? Tapos,
para kang absent sa school, hingi ka ng med-cert.
pero sabi ng Senate, kami na bahala sa doktor mo, pumunta ka dito.
Oh, well,
pero syempre, as much as
Have the
possible...
Senate doctor na lang certify.
Oo, diba?
Para matapos na yan.
Pero as much as possible, eto nga, 'di ba? Kung hindi ang tawag dito, kung hindi mag-responde agad ang Supreme Court dun sa kanilang petisyon, anong kailangan niyang gawin? She needs to go there sa Senate, 'di ba? Kasi sinasabi ang defense lagi nila is anong in aid of legislation ang ginagawa niyo kapag nakatuon yung pansin nyo sa kay Mayor Alice Go. Yun yung kanilang defense doon.